Hello team, I have prepared this video for as a small training session for generating a non-moving report. So we will do this using. So we will do using this FICO stock report. So we will download a FICO stock report from Master Portal. The period of FICO stock will be, suppose I have downloaded a report. I have created a non-moving report for 6 months. So I will use a period of 6 months. For an example, if as on 31st March, I want a non-moving report for 6 months. So I will download a FICO stock report for 1st October to 31st March, 6 months period. If I want it for 1 year, so I will use 1st April to 31st March for complete year. If as on 31st May, I want for 6 months, then I will use from 1st December to 31st May, okay, taking covering a period of 6 months. So according to whatever period you want, you have to take that date, and reporting date will be your due date. Okay, so in that way you have to download a FICO stock report. Downloading a FICO stock report, everybody knows this part, so I will not take it again. So once this FICO stock report is downloaded, it will look like this screen. Don't do any unmerged. There will be some blank rows. Keep it as it is. There will be some merge cell. Keep it as it is. Copy the complete sheet. Click it here between A and 1. Click here. Click Control C, copy. Then come to my add-in file, which I will share with you. Come to cell A1. Wherever you will come to cell A1, click Control V, paste. Okay. Once you paste it here, don't do any change. Don't do any manual error. Just come to my add-in file, top add-in tab, material report. In this, there is a button non-moving. Just click it. Please note, don't after clicking here, don't do any other click. For 2 minutes, let the add-in work. If you can see now, it has provided me a pivot report and my add-in has worked out. So this is my report. In non-moving sheet, you can see, or it is an item-wise non-moving report. So these all items are non-moving items for whatever period you have downloaded. So in this, you can find below columns: plant, material code, material description, units, GL, material type. This is MRP controller, material group, net weight UM, closing quantity, closing value, and weight. Weight is only for RM, FG, and SFG. For others, we are not taking weights. Okay. So in report column, this is now generated. So in whatever format you want to report, you can report it from here. This is a summary data. So normally we will not represent blank data. Whatever blank is coming, remove the blank. So this is your data which you have to report. Now you can do formatting according to your needs, whatever way you have to report it. So this GLs, everybody knows this GLs. So this is an FG GL, this is an SFG GL, this is scrap GL, this is RMGL, this is component, this is packing, this is stores, this is civil, this is others. In add-in, I have not added this formatting part because it depends upon the user how to present the data. So it will just segregate non-moving items for you, but formatting will be on your part. So this is the detail which I have to report. So I think it is an easy process. So everybody will be comfortable with this thing. Thank you.